I'm sure you've heard the news. Chocolatey, gooey brownies are a must-try treat. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, grab a bowl and melt half a cup of butter. Add 1 cup of sugar and mix until it's smooth. Now crack in 2 eggs, one at a time, stirring well after each. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now for the dry ingredients, mix half a cup of flour, a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Slowly add this to your wet mix, stirring just until combined. For extra richness, fold in a handful of chocolate chips or nuts. Pour the batter into a greased 8x8-inch pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with a few moist crumbs. Let them cool if you can resist. Cut into squares and enjoy the ultimate brownie experience. Perfectly fudgy every single time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.